Hi, I'm Allie. I was this size when I was 20. And over the course of the past 14 years, I graduated from college, I started a job, I had 2 kids. Once you start building in all those factors, over like the course of this whole time, it was like I gained 40 pounds. And I didn't even know it. I have a picture of my family, and it's so cute. And then there's me, and I felt like, I look at the picture still, and I look like a blob. Like, how did you get yourself to this place? I'm looking at these pictures going like, I can't do this anymore. You take the first step, and you take a step forward, and you walk into Jenny Craig, and they help you. It's so easy. This is the easiest plan to follow. It's the easiest plan to follow. It teaches you about moderation. It teaches you about portion control. I sat down with my consultant, I got back on the horse and had my Jenny week, and it was great. Now I feel great about myself, and it shows. I have lost 23 pounds on Jenny Craig. I'm like ready to take on the world and have the best time ever.